Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you what I've just picked up from the post office, which I've just been sent by Anki, and it is Cozmo, and it is a robot. It's a little gadget, and it's super cool. Setup is pretty easy. You go to your Wi-Fi and connect that way. You then go to App Store. So this is Cozmo. He is an adorable little robot. It's currently on charge. As you can see, you press this button here, which turns him on, and you can then connect him to your phone or device. There's also the option of what Cozmo does in his free time. And he's currently looking around the room. He will also give you the choices on if he wants to play with you. And we've got Cozmo performs, and here he will make all sorts of faces, sounds, reactions, and it's pretty cool. The kids love it, so let's make him be surprised. That's unimpressed. Using that look. That's scared. Sad. And then we've got dizzy. And then we've got excited. We also have giggle. And we have vampire. We have zombie. We have win. We have snore. We have hiccups. And giggle. And we have so much more options as well as getting him to be able to say things.
He's coming. Jeez. I'm just trying to stop him. He needs a stable flat surface. I'll put these here. Hey, there's a green one he likes. He picked it up. He likes that green cube. Oh, look. It's like my green pet. Because he is my own pet, isn't he? tricks. Tricks means like money, because I love doing tricks, don't I? Like I'd roll. Oh my god. Ready? Ready? Not yet. Oh. Look.